Hello everyone, so today I am really very excited to share with you how to make this couple photo collage poster in Canva, and it's a great gift to give in anniversary or in Valentine's Day. So let's start with it. So I have chosen Instagram post 4:5 format. As you can see, it is written here. So let's first start with the text. Okay, and I click on add a heading. Okay, and I bring it on canvas, and after that I change the background color to black. Okay, and after that I change the text color to white. Okay, and I will write here forever, but I will do just a simple change, which is I will first write the or ever, and after that I will write the if. You will find the difference here why I have written it. So let's start with it. So I will use the text here or the font here as Great Vibes. Okay, so this one, because I really like this handwriting font, and I will make it bigger. Okay, and why I have written only the whatever part? So let me show you. If I write with the F, as you can see, the F and O is not joined. Okay, so to make it joint, I will use this part. So I will just use only the F and bring it just here, and I will just adjoin it, and I will just zoom it to check if it is adjoined or not. So it is adjoined, as you can see. So I can just move a little bit on the left hand side so that it is adjoined and still it is remaining at a gap. Okay, so I will just make it bigger as far as the canvas it is required. Okay, and I will just unzoom it and I will just middle it. Okay, and I will just make it slightly smaller. Okay, so this one is here, but as you can see, the V and E is also not joined. So for that I will just click on L to activate a line here, and I will change the stroke style or the stroke weight to 12. Okay, and after that, here in this line type, choose the curved one. Okay, and I will just make it downside and just make it like this and just bring it here. So one will be here and the other will be here, and this one right here. So which makes the V and E looks joined, and I will just simply move it so that there is no gap in between, and now it is covered, as you can see in here. Okay, so for the next part I will just click on add page, and for this I will change the background color to any color I want. So I am using this light lavender color for this time, and after that I will just download both the pages by clicking on share, click on download, and make sure both the downloads are in PNG. So this is the picsvg.com website, which is a free SVG converter, and I will click on upload a picture, and I will use the forever page 1. Okay, and after that I will just come in this filters page and I will click on internal 3. Okay, and I will click on download SVG. And now we are here at photopea.com, which is a free version of photoshop.com, and I will click on open from computer, and now I will again open the SVG file which I downloaded from picsvg.com. Okay, and now as you can see, the layers are separated. So this is the below layer and this is the up layer, but there are some more layers which is of the O and both the E's. So I will just use this O and the E part and merge it with the upper hand layer. Okay, so I will select all of them and I will right click it and click on merge layers, because in that way the picture use will be much easier for you, and for us. So now I will just click on file, click on open and place, and now we will use the forever page 2. Okay, and click on open page and just extend the page. Okay, so when the page extension is done, right click it and click on clipping mask. Okay, and after that just duplicate layer and move it here. So both the layers are covered. As you can see, the forever part is left out without any color and it is totally transparent. Now I will click on file, click on save as PSD and click on save, and these layers are saved. So now we will come back to Canva, and after that click on add page and just remove this lavender color shade and click on uploads and just upload the file which you just created in photopea.com. So as you can see, this file is downloaded. Now I will click on this one and it will come in this here, and as you can see there is a black layer which is coming here. So I will just right click on any of the layer, click on layers and click on show layers. So there the black layer it is, and I will just click on delete, and now I will just delete the lavender color shade to just reveal the image frame, and for this I will use the backspace in the keyboard. And now it is revealed, as you can see. Now I will just use the images, and for this I will go to elements. First I will write here married couple, and I will just use this picture and use it in the below layer. And after that, for the next image, I have chosen an image which will be useful for this design, and I will use this picture. Okay, so I will do some color adjustment for here. Click on edit, click on adjust and just adjust the colors. Just work slightly on the shadows, just decrease it. And just increase slightly the blacks and also decrease the saturation a bit. And now it looks great. The design part is ready, but I hope you have the same question that if you want to change the color of the text, how to do that. So it is very easy to do. Like, you just click on any layer, right click it and go to layer, click on layer and show layers. Okay, so you will find this background here, and as the text is transparent, you just change the background color and your text color will change like this. You can use any color you want. Okay, so let's try something in light orange or deep orange or something in red. So you can use any color of your choice and any color you want. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comments. And this is a perfect gift for your loved ones in the anniversary or in the Valentine's Day. So I hope you really learned something new in this tutorial, and if you have any comments regarding this tutorial, if you love this tutorial, please let me know in the comments. And if you have any query, please let me know in the comments so that I'll be happy to help you out. And please subscribe to the channel so that I can bring more amazing tutorials for you as quickly as possible. Till then, thank you, and I will return with another tutorial very soon.